Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a studio tour and how I store my nail art supplies because I really like the system that I've got going right now, but I'm kind of outgrowing it. So it was time for something new. So that part right there is getting a little bit too small, and then some stuff in my desk right here that's getting too tiny as well. So I thought I'd move into this unit, which is the Alex 6 drawer unit. I'm sure you guys all know it. And I thought I'd take you into the process. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so let's start right here at my desk. Right back there, you can see my e-file. Then I have this LED light. I really like that. Over here are some nail art examples for inspiration. Then down here I have my dust collector. Really like that one. And on this side there's a little tray for jewelry. And then these are all of my color swatches. And back there is my LED light. It's by Nail Code and I really like that. The next thing we are going to get into is this little Alex 6 drawer set. It's the one at my desk. And in the first drawer, I have all of my gel colors. I have all of my gel polishes. And as you can see, this is clearly starting to overflow. So it's time to move these into the big 6 drawer unit. Next drawer down, I have my top coats, my base coats and whatnot. Then I have hand lotion. These are mostly glitter brushes. These are like spongy tools and silicone tools. These are my liner brushes. These are my dust brushes. Then there's tools, there's scissors. These are all of my gel brushes. So as you can see, there's a lot and it's kind of starting to get difficult to find the right brush that I'm looking for. So I'm probably gonna store this a little bit differently. Then I have dotting tools, I have spatulas, tweezers, stuff like that. These are spongy tools, there is magnets in here, a little mirror. Then these are little glitter trays. And then the next drawer down, we have primers, there's some nail lacquer thinner, this is a transparent nail polish. These are all of my builder gels and 3 different nail art gels. These are acrylics, which I'm probably just gonna move out of my system because I don't use acrylics anymore. These are all different kinds of cleansers, acetone. Then what else is in here? These are my files. These are tips. And the next drawer down are 3 rolls of forms. Then this is my little garbage bin, paper towels, wipes, sanitizer. And in the bottom drawer, I have my gloves. I have masks. These 2 different boxes, there's one underneath, have all of my glitter swatches, foil swatches, pigments, everything like that is swatched. These are the color pops that I use for that. Then there's some nail wheels and a bunch of other stuff. So that's everything that is in this desk. So now we are moving back to this wall. Right there you can see is my sink. And then up here, these 3 bins are all of my nail art supplies. And I'm gonna put them on the floor in a minute and then we're gonna get a little deeper into that. Then I have my most used nail polish right there. Next layer is just some random stuff, little radio, little decoration. The next layer pretty much only has my 2 manicure pillows. And then below that is all of my backgrounds that I use for photos. I really want to find another system for that, but for now, this is just it. Then those are alcohol-based markers, and in those 2 little drawer sets, I have all of my files. The bins down there, that one is just very random. I want to remove them, like these bins, and I want to have some more pretty ones, but for now this is it. So random stuff, that's all kind of backup stuff. And then right there is all of my fluids, and that is the nail polish that I'm currently not using because I have everything up there. Okay, so I took these drawers down and I'm gonna show you everything the way I store it right now. But this is the main reason why I wanted to move into the Alex 6 drawer unit, because this is just starting to overflow. I have a little more stuff coming in and it's just not gonna fit, and it was either getting one more of these, like I said, or moving into a bigger system, so that's what I decided on. But since I really like how I store it right now, I'm gonna show you what I did. I'm not gonna get into every single little detail. If you want me to do that, just let me know in the comments. But for now, it's just the way I store it. In this first drawer, I have all of my flakies. Then I have my crushed shells, and in the back, it's all chrome powder. The second drawer is all glitters. These are holographic, and then all of those, and there's, you know, a couple more, it goes back a little bit. These are all chunky glitters or fine glitters. In my third drawer is more glitters. This is just a rainbow set with all fine glitters. And these are some of the things that I got for free that I don't know the name of, so that's why they are in here. Then I have a nude glitter set. Back there is a Christmas glitter set. These are all by Essence. And then back here is a glitter mix that I made myself and some more high-end glitters. The next drawer down, I have all of my dotties. So I store them by set. I have this box back here, and then this is the mermaid type dotties. These are regular ones. This is a flitter, and then these are metallics. Next drawer down is all of my pigments. These are all by C&D, these are by Urban Nails. Then I have some random ones back here, and these are all cat eye pigments. And then I keep my pigment brushes in here because, as you see, they get a little bit dirty. Next drawer down is all of my stickers and my water decals. There's a bunch of stuff in here that I'm not gonna get into right now. And then those are all of my foils. Definitely overflowing, definitely need to find another way to store these. Then the next drawer down is all of my striping tapes. I have the mermaid type, I have a glittery type, and then I have the regular ones. Next drawer down, I have all of my stamping stuff. A lot of stampers, stamping plate cleaner, which is a world of a difference. I am definitely repurchasing this. And then in the last drawer, which is also clearly overflowing, is all of my rhinestones and embellishments and stuff like that. So, see, you can't close the thing up anymore, so it's time to move into the bigger unit, and that is what I'm gonna do in the next video. So if you are interested in watching that, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and then I'll see you next time.